Hey guys, what's going on? My name is John Radisson. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing process called Torpedopot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. The results are in the proof is in the pudding. And they are so perfectly consistent. Absolutely beautiful in every way. And I'm not sure how I'm going to eat them. But you know what? I'm really going to like them. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. And what they do is that they grow your food with no human involvement. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And it does such a fantastic job in growing your food. And so we expect to have a lot of melons. We do. We just have to plant accordingly to make sure, because they're heavy feeders. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. And all the way down to the bottom, it's just so beautiful. Man, isn't that gorgeous? And notice how they're all perfect. Perfectly formed, perfectly shaped. Perfection is what we're looking for. And we see that in these planters. So what we decided to do was just simply take our seeds and our plants and put them in this planter. We started these from seeds. Now let me tell you something, they're doing a fantastic job. Unbelievable job. Unbelievable job of growing our food. I love it. I love it. All right, so this is Torpedopot. We make self-growing planters that grow your food for you, where you will have food all of the time. Not some of the time, but you'll have food all of the time. I don't know when this is right. Somebody help me out, because I need to find out. That is so beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so beautiful. I haven't even started counting as they start to form. I haven't even started counting. So we have sugar babies and we have Crenshaw, I think. And I'll get back to you guys so definite, but they are absolutely beautiful and we love them. They're coming off the good size and they're growing out very well. Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You see that knob? All you do is turn that knob and you'll have food for the rest of your life. It grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning.